Hey everyone, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today we are outside. Um, Last night, well, this whole past week, today's Sunday, this whole past week was really hot and humid, and they kept warning us that we were going to have some severe storms. So we had the first round of severe storms, which didn't appear to be too bad, just some rain and a lot of lightning and thunder and a little wind ahead of the big major storm. So then that was about 8 o'clock at night. Then right around 9:30, 10 o'clock, they said this was going to happen. They said that there was going to be another complex of storms coming through, and these could be a lot worse. So we were watching the news about 10 o'clock, a little bit after 10, and the sirens went off. And there's a town that's just a little bit northwest of us, not too far. They said that there was some funnel clouds, up in the sky. They said they could see them with the lightning and stuff like that. So we went into a tornado warning, but as time went on, it kind of got a little weaker, that particular storm. But then they said, just be careful, there's going to be some really, really, really strong winds. So, throughout the night, it was quite thunderous and windy and you name it. So this morning, I woke up to this. This is our birch tree. Sad to see this thing gone. Missed the house, the garage, thank God for that. And took down little parts of the other trees, but could be a lot worse. Nothing got really damaged. The van I had parked over there, which I normally do, so if the branch would have went the other way, just got to count your blessings. So this is the work I got cut out for me, not planning on it. I was going to cut the grass today, but we had so much rain during the night. The grass can wait for another day or two. So, we've lived here for 27 years, and this birch tree has always been here. And it's a very beautiful tree. Lots of shade for the front room window. And so I have a chainsaw. I can cut this up. I have a little log splitter. I can split this up as time goes on. But this wood won't be used till the next winter season, 23-24, because it's still wet. It's solid. It's solid here and everything. I mean, this branch was dying out, but Mother Nature can really do some damaging things. Just think how thick that tree is. All right, I will cut this up little by little and get it all cleaned up. Appreciate everybody watching. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.